Hey all, my name is Manuela, I'm from Medellin, Colombia, and today I want to tell you about my experience building a bridge between the academy and the industry. I was part of the organizing team for Codex UDA, a community for software engineering students in my university. In an effort to close the gap between what we learned at university and what we experienced at work, we came up with a strategy to improve the chances for the students to land internships at good software companies and to work in their web development and soft skills. Our strategy consisted of dividing the meetings into 3 spaces. In the first one, we have a professional from the industry that will teach us about web technologies they use in their job, which will allow the students to learn about modern tools, their basics, and to have a mentor to support them. In the second space, we have a special guest from a dreamed company. In this section, we invite a professional who works in one of those companies that we wish to work at. In this space, they share their experiences and advice to get that dream job. The special thing about this is that we search for professionals with similar backgrounds to ours, in our case, Colombian people. To meet people that they can feel identified with will allow the students to see themselves reaching for those jobs that we think are impossible. The third space is a student talk, the space that was the most difficult to achieve, because the students are shy and afraid to share what they know. To solve this, we offer them support as the organizer team to prepare the talk, practice, and check the slides. The objective of this space is for them to improve their soft skills, speaking in public, and explaining concepts and ideas, which will ultimately allow them to express themselves better in a professional setting. That strategy was an absolute success, as we immediately increased the student retention and more students started to constantly attend the meetings and participate as speakers as well. Plus, it came with benefits for both the companies and the students. For the students, they have a space where they can learn about modern technologies from professionals, explore different paths of specializations, find other students with similar interests that they can make projects or study with, feel inspired by successful professionals with similar backgrounds, share knowledge without being judged. Most of the students even gave their first ever talk with us. Also, they find mentorship in technical and soft skills. For the companies, they can participate in a space where they get exposure within the campus and directly impact students who could be their future workforce. They have a space where their employees can improve their public speaking abilities. We have found that many people within the industry do not participate in local communities as speakers because they haven't done it before, and sadly, they can find more hostility or feel uncomfortable in a much more competitive scenario. On the other hand, in our community, we are all students that just want to learn. And that's why even people from the industry have had their first ever talk with us. Now, last but not least, I want to summarize this experience in a few key points you could follow to help close the gap between the academy and the industry in your local community. Know what the industry needs. What skills are the companies looking for in an intern or junior developers? Know your community weaknesses, those skills that your community members don't have or are less strong at. Ask for the support of the industry in those specific areas. Ask for mentors, speakers, or office hours where the students can go to ask for help. Offer the company some benefits in exchange for the mentorship. Also, you can mention the positive impact that we mentioned before. Create a space where the students can feel not only learning new things, but also feel inspired and motivated. And that's why I wanted to share with you today. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to ping me in any social network. Bye!